I found Jesus. Jesus lives in Bali. So, good morning Indonesia. Good morning the world. Vlog 30 already, 1 month. That'd be great if you give me some feedbacks. Tell me what you think. 1 month already. I'm gonna mix a little bit of last month and the last 1 year videos in this vlog. Show you a few more things. But I'm feeling pumped today. I'm feeling pumped because we got a real chance here. We got a real chance to be the first project in the world to save a whole area, what's in there and where we can get it from out to the world. With everything bad that happens in this world for the last 20-25 years, bad, like real bad. Spilling oil, companies that use pesticide, companies that sell water, companies that destroy everything around us, our future. Well, this is the first project that want to save things, and they want to save things with you. With your donation, we'll be able to do that project. From that project, we'll be able to save a whole area. From that area, we can produce amazing stuff for you guys back home. Just simple as that. And then we can take the same ecosystem and put it somewhere else in the world and save more area. So the people save more area, not the companies, not the fucking government, not anything. Just the people. That's amazing, and I'm feeling real pumped about it. So watch out the next 30 days, watch out. So that was me. Enjoy the next videos. You take care, have a great day. Positive energy from Bali. Ciao. Yeah. Wanna say hello? Hello, dada, dada. How many times you saw me? Like 10,000 times. Oh man, nice pair of shoes. Thank you, kids.
Bro, yang kuat. Sapinya enggak gemuk-gemuk ini. Break. Het. Naman tutup bidan penjumun.
Yun magaya na nung
Yuman. Ding lagay ni penjuk.
Yuman ang durang.
Oh. Durian.
Yuman manain gitu.
Aduh.
Dan anak ada. Anak ada.
Benda dua.
Anak pasing yang datang.
Careful.
Ngaruh mas.
Bang, kelas ya nih. Dan bang, rame kelas bangin. Pengabung ini pengabung.